Hey guys, on today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code using WhatsApp in just a few simple steps. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. We're going to use the built-in QR scanner. Next, tap on the settings icon on the bottom right corner. And at the top, you'll see your profile picture and next to it, a QR code icon. Tap on that. Now your camera will open, ready to scan a QR code. Just point your camera at the code that you want to scan. Once scanned, WhatsApp will automatically take you to the link, profile, or group associated with that QR code. You can also scan QR codes shared in WhatsApp chat by tapping and holding the code in the message. That's it, you've successfully scanned a QR code using WhatsApp. Super easy, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips. See you next time.